I used to play this game all the time.
how to get better at Animal
Have you
Rivals.
seen the new Rivals?
You gotta learn how to move fast
Rivals Royale.
and
Yeah, that's when I stopped playing when the new Battle Royale thing came out.
always
Recording
aim
a video?
like this. You gotta always aim. You can even practice in the range. Like, you gotta make sure to begin with your strongest hand. Practice aiming with your strongest hand. Always play with your strongest hand when it's first round. So you gotta do this. So what you gotta do is push off the wall as a juking technique, and then you can shoot them. And then when you get good, use one hand, other hand. Doesn't matter what hand, and shoot. So hit them head, and you can shoot them. You gotta practice aiming. You should get the revolver more than the eagle and practice aiming. You might not make it all the time, but at least practice. And then when you get good enough, you can go. Move around when you're reloading, then shoot. Just keep shooting them. And then you can even practice for shooting up there.
I can't flick shoot.
And then with shotgun, you guys can use shotgun and
Are you
practice.
making a video?
Moving, slow down. Moving, slow down. Moving, slow down. Moving, slow down. And yeah, that's it for my short.
Oh, that'd be short.